Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to know when Ultrahuman ring is fully charged. Okay, so on your basically charging dock LED light, you will see blinking white light is basically the ring is actively charging. If it's solid green, then that means that ring is fully charged. Okay, so then also what you can uh, do is check in your app, and if you go here in the app to the top left corner where you see this green light, click on it. You will see information. You will see here information battery 100%, and you will also get a notification that your ring is now fully charged. So yeah, this is how you know when Ultrahuman ring is fully charged. Um, Charging time is takes around 90 to 120 minutes, so 2 hours to charge Ultrahuman ring from 0 to 100% battery capacity. Yeah, to maximize the long-term lifespan of this battery of Ultrahuman ring, um, yeah, it's 20 to 80% rule. So try to top up the ring for 15 minutes daily while you shower, keeping the battery hovering comfortably between 20% and 80% rather than letting it drain to zero. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.